Okay, and in this video I'm just going to show you some quick hints and tips that might make your life a little bit easier whilst you're crocheting. So you'll notice when you crochet, okay, the side facing you, so this side here, is neater than that side, okay? So you have to make sure that when you're starting to create a sphere that you push it out and you make sure that this side, the side that's facing you, is always on the outside of the doll, okay, because this is the neatest side. But another thing you can do is when you're starting a next round, so I've just finished one of my rounds in the pattern, to mark where you are, as I mentioned earlier on in one of my previous videos, you can use a different colour thread. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to place this thread and it just becomes a marker. I'm just going to squish it up nice and tight into where I place my last stitch, okay? So it won't get in your way while you're working because you've still got access to your next stitch, which is this one here. But what it will do is it just reminds you when you get to the next round, because when you're working in a spiral sometimes it's hard to remember when you finished. So when I do this round here, and this round is a work even round, which means that it's all the same all the way around. I'm not increasing or decreasing. I'm just going to do it quite quickly to give you an idea of what will happen. There we go, a few stitches on. You'll notice that the work is starting to bend. Now I've got to push it out because I want to make sure that this is the outside of the head, so we have to make sure that it starts to curve that way. Okay, and you'll notice my second colour wool here is nice and securely in this piece of work, but then when you come round and you finish this round, you can simply pull it out with a tug and then place it again as your next round marker. So all I'm doing is I'm placing it nice and tight into the next stitch. Okay.